I want to tell you today about my October scarf class. This fall I'm doing a series of scarf classes, one per month on Zoom, and some of them will be in person as well. And for my October class, we're going to be looking at chenille, Rayon Chenille. So we're going to look at the structure of chenille. We're going to look at why the structure causes some issues and how we can manage the problems and the challenges that it poses for weavers. And we're also going to look at the structure of log cabin, so you'll be able to learn how log cabin works and then be able to translate that into any other project that you want to weave with log cabin. We will learn things like threading both colors at the same time, which sounds very daunting, but is really quite simple once you get to doing it. We'll learn about using two shuttles at the same time. We'll learn about wet finishing. We'll learn about weaving and having nice edges, and we'll cover all the other things that go along with weaving as well. And what will you need? You will need your 15-inch minimum loom. This is a 20-inch, but a 15-inch will be fine. If you have a 12-inch, let me know, we can adapt for that. You will need all your other normal weaving things, so your warping pegs, your clamps, your threading hooks, scissors, tape measures, all those things. But you will also need two shuttles, because we'll be using two shuttles to weave with. And you will need 2 cones of the Rayon Chenille. You'll have leftovers. You might have enough to do 2 scarves, but I'm not going to promise that. But you'll need Rayon Chenille, and it's 1,450 yards per pound. This came from Maurice Broussard. I did a quick Google search. You can get this on Webs as well. So if you're in the US, you can get it from Webs or from any local yarn shop around you that carries this yarn as well. And you will want 2 high contrast colors. Because we're doing color and weave, you want the high contrast so that the patterning shows up well. So that's what you're going to need. It's not a lot, and we're going to have a lot of fun together. You'll be able to watch this on Zoom, so if you attend in a Zoom class, you'll be able to watch it for the next 30 days over and over and over as much as you want, so that you can work at your own speed. If you can't attend live on Zoom, you can still watch the videos, and I'm only an email away if you need help when you're working at it at your own time, your own pace. I will have the registrations in the links, so you'll be able to register. Just when you register, make sure that you're registering either for the Zoom or the in-person, and just do a little check for that. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in class. I think we're going to have a great time. I think you'll love this scarf. It is super soft and velvety. Just look at the drape on this scarf as it goes over my arm. It's just really, really incredibly soft and drapey. So definitely, I think you'll love this scarf.